Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter 8 of English Reader. The name of the book is Open Sky and the name of the chapter is Trees Our Best Friend. Dear students, in this chapter we have read the story in detail and we have also completed the learning words, true, false, filling the blanks, multiple choice question and filling the blanks. Dear students, those who did not attend the previous class can watch the previous video at my YouTube channel. Dear students, today we will discuss the question answer of this chapter. And in the previous class, I have also told you that you complete your word meaning in your notebook. I hope that you all have completed the word meaning in your copy. And today we will discuss the question answer of this chapter that you have to write in your notebook. Dear students, in your notebook, you have to write only word meaning and question answer. Other exercises you will fill only in your book. Okay, so just open your book and notebook and start writing. Dear students, you will write the question from your book. I will write the answer here only. And after writing the question, you will write the answer from the blackboard. Okay, from the board. So just see the question, students. Exercise first, that is answer the following question. Dear students, first question is given here. How are trees important to us? Write down the question first. How are trees important to us? Dear students, we all know that the importance of trees in our life, it is very, very useful in our life. It gives us oxygen, it gives us fruits, vegetables, medicines, so many things that we cannot count. Okay, students? So here you have to write the importance of trees for us. Okay, so just write down the question, then after you will write the answer from the board. Dear students, I am going to write the answer of the question. Answer A. Okay, you will also write the answer after writing the question. See, trees are important to us. Dear students, answer is long. You will also write, but it is simple. Trees are important to us. Trees are important to us in many ways. In many ways. Full stop. They give us fruits and vegetables. They give us fruits and vegetables to eat. And firewood to burn. And firewood to burn. Just write down the answer, students. Trees provide us trees provide us trees provide important raw materials important raw material for our industries. For our industries. We built houses. We built houses, and makes furniture. Makes furniture with timber. With timber. Just write down, students. The pulp trees also provide cool shade to the tired traveler who rest under them. Who rest under them. Okay, students, this is the answer of question number A. You write it. Just see, students, trees are important to us in many ways. They give us fruits and vegetables to eat and firewood to burn. Trees provide important raw materials for our industries. We build houses and make furniture with timber. Trees also provide cool shade to tired travelers who rest under the trees. Dear students, besides these, there are so many importance of trees in our life, but we will write up to this only because answer is so long. Okay, so after completing it, you will write the second question, question number B from your book. Just see, students, what is question number B? Dear students, the question number B is, how do trees support the life of living things? How do trees support the life of living things? Dear students, we all the living things are depends on trees, oxygen. Okay. So first of all, you complete this answer, then after you will write the next question, question number B. Okay, students, do it. Dear students, I hope that you all have written, therefore I am going to erase it. Come to the next question, question number B. Write down the question, students, from your book. What is the question in your book? How do trees support the life of living things? How do trees support the life of living things? This is your question, and after writing the question, you will put the answer. You will write the answer. Just see answer number B. Just see, students, answer number B. Write down the answer number B. Trees support the life of living things trees support the life of living things by replacing the oxygen by replacing the oxygen that gets used up, when living things breathe or burn anything. Trees supply 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 us to most important requirement of life, namely oxygen to breathe and food to eat. Okay, just see student, this is the answer of question number B. You just see the answer. Trees support the life of living things by replacing oxygen that gets used up when living things breathe or burn anything. Trees supply us two most important requirements of life, namely oxygen to breathe and food to eat. Okay student, this is the answer of question number B. You write it in your notebook, and after completing this answer you will write the question number C from your book. Okay students, you write it question answer number B, and after completing it you will write the question number C. Dear students, if you have any kind of doubts in any answer, you can ask on WhatsApp. Dear students, the answers are very simple, but it is long. You can also write by your own. Okay, come to the next question, question number C. You see that? How do trees cause rainfall? Dear students, how do trees cause rainfall? We all know that where there are trees, where there are forest, in that areas the water level is high. In that area we also find that there is heavy rainfall. Okay, it means trees support also the rainfall, and because of tree we also get rain. Okay, so just write down the question number C, and after writing the question you will write the answer. I am going to erase the answer number B. I hope that you all have done. Come to the next question, question number C. Just see students, question number C. What is question number C? Question number C. I am going to write the answer only. You will write the question from your book. Okay, just see the answer. Question is how do trees cause rainfall? Okay students, just write down the answer. Trees cause rainfall in following way. Dear students, no need to write it. Directly you write. Just see, answer. The leaves of the trees, breathe out a lot of water vapor. VAPOUR into the atmosphere. Okay, just see, the leaves of the trees breathe out a lot of water vapor into the atmosphere. This helps to make the air cool. This helps to make the air cool. The cool air over forest cools the rain clouds. And helps to cause rain. Okay, students, just see the answer of question number C. The leaves of the trees breathe out a lot of water vapor into the atmosphere, and this helps to make the air cool, and the cool air over the forest cools the rain clouds and helps to cause rain. Okay, students, this is the answer of question number D. Question number C. What was the question number C? How do the trees cause rainfall? And this is the answer of the question number C. You write it in your notebook, and after completing it, you will write the answer number D. Okay? You complete it, then after you write the question number D. Okay, students? Write down the question number D. From your book. Just see, students, what is question number D? How does a great part of our forest resources get lost? Yes, students, we all know that populations are increasing day by day, and people need houses, industries, and so many things. Therefore, people are cutting the forest to settle themselves. Okay? So, first of all, you write the question number D, then after we will discuss the answer of D. Okay? I am going to erase the answer number C. I hope that you all have completed in your notebook. Now see the answer number D. After writing the question D, you will write the answer number D from the board. You see the answer number D. That is the last question. Answer Question once again I'm going to repeat. How does a great part of forest resources get lost? Just write down the answer. With the growth of population, with the growth of population, with the growth of population, man started to cut down trees to get more and more land for agriculture, houses and industries. TRIES. I think it is visible. Yes. Houses and industries. Full stop. In this way, a great part of our forest resources get lost. Okay, students, just see the answer. This is the answer number D. With the growth of population, man started to cut down the trees to get more and more land for agriculture, houses and industries. In this way, a great part of, dear student, there would be great, you can write here great, GREAT. Okay, a great part of our forest resources get lost. Okay, students, so this is the answer of question number D. In this way, we have completed the question answer of this chapter, and we have also completed each and everything given in the chapters. All the exercises, explanation, word meaning and question answer. So in this way, we have completed this chapter 8, trees, our best friend. In the next class, we will discuss the new thing. That's all for today. Thank you.